Buenos dias. Today you get to explore houses in other countries. This is a pretty cool website that I've linked here. You can, when you come here, it has all kinds of families linked. So, before you start, know that you're looking for 3 different houses from 3 different families, and they should all be from Spanish-speaking countries. There are families here like from Haiti and Brazil. They don't speak Spanish in these countries. You want a Spanish-speaking country. There's also the United States. No. So choose a Spanish-speaking country, and then you are going to be writing where the family's from, la familia es de, what type of home they live in, viven en un apartamento or viven en una casa. And then you're going to generally describe the home like we did for our first suppositivo, like viven en una casa grande y blanco, so this color, shape, size, how many floors, that type of thing. And then you're going to describe the rooms in the house, which and how many, and then you're going to choose one of those rooms and describe it specifically. So choose a variety of families. You can, like I say, as long as they're from a Spanish-speaking country. So I'm just going to scroll down here. Here is a family from Peru. Now these guys are on the poorer end. This family from Colombia makes quite a bit more. There's a variety of families in a variety of situations. So when you find one you like, you just click on it, and then you'll start to read about them. It's a little bit hard to tell what their house is from right here, right? And the next best thing to do is visit this family. And you can read a little bit more about their family, and it might have information about their home here. It may or may not. Down here it says they like the house because of the plants in the backyard, but they're unhappy with the unavailability of water. It has a private toilet in the yard, so not in the house. So this one's going to be a little bit different. Most of the homes that you look at are going to be a little bit more modern, even if they're different from yours. So it has a whole bunch of different pictures here, and you can get ideas about how they live. So I'm going to click on this one that says home, and this gives me a better idea. So for this one I would say, la familia es de Peru, viven en una casa. La casa es verde y blanco y azul, tiene ladrillos y es un piso. And then I don't know what rooms are in here, so I'm going to have to do more investigation, find out about the rooms, which rooms, how many, and then maybe describe one room specifically. Maybe I'll choose the bedroom. And I could say, el dormitorio tiene una cama, un armario. It's hard to tell what else, so I'm going to try to look for other pictures. Looks like un televisor. And this home I might say es desordenado. So that's not how I'm used to things looking. So play with it, write your description, and then choose another family.